Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you my summer haul for M&S Next and 2. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you my summer haul. So recently I have been shopping to Next, M&S and 2. The Next haul I did online, M&S I actually went to the store, and 2 as well, which is in Sainsbury's, which is a local supermarket in the UK. So yeah, I went shopping to these places and I picked myself up a few new bits for summer. I love watching videos like this and I love making them, so today I thought I'd share with you what I brought. The first item that I brought was this t-shirt. So I'll show you this now. This is a Rolling Stone t-shirt and I bought this in Sainsbury's in their 2 collection. And I really love this t-shirt. So basically it's just got the Rolling Stones on the front and then it's got the 40 Licks. I think this is on the front of the album of 40 Licks cover on it. It's a different design to the one on 40 Licks, but I just really loved it. I really like the pink in it and stuff. Rolling Stones were actually the supporting act for my dad's jazz band back in the 60s. He loved telling me that. That was before Mick Jagger became the lead singer though. So yeah, he was in a jazz band. He wasn't very good, he played the banjo, and my aunt said he wasn't very good at playing the banjo, but he was in this jazz band and I think they got a gig in quite a famous jazz bar in London. And the supporting act were actually the Rolling Stones without Mick Jagger at the time. So yeah, this t-shirt really reminds me of my dad, so I just had to buy it when I saw it. It was £12 and it's a cotton t-shirt and it's just a plain grey t-shirt with the Rolling Stones and then, as I said, their 40 Licks logo on the front, and I really love it. And if I can find it, I'll link it in the description box below for you. The next item that I bought was this dress, and this is from Next. When I saw it online, I thought, oh, I love that. And then I tried it on at home and I wasn't too sure. On the model, as they always do, it looks really good, but on me, I've got quite broad shoulders and these have quite puffy shoulders on it. And I do find that I feel like it makes me look broader on the top. I don't know if you can see that or not. I will overlap a clip of me in this dress, but yes, I do love the colour and I love the detail in the sleeve as well. I think that's really pretty, and I like the kaftan tie as well. I think that's a kaftan tie. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, won't you, in the comments below? I'm sure you will. And this dress was £38, so it was a bit pricey, but I have decided to keep it. I think it's probably one of those dresses you can get away with wearing in summer, and that's it though. So I normally like to buy clothes that I can kind of like manipulate into wearing in autumn and winter as well. So if I needed to, I could put a pair of leggings with a dress or something. But this one I think is just a summer dress. For £38, I did think that was a bit pricey for what it is as well. But it is a pretty dress and I do really love it, and if I can find it, I'll link it in the description box below for you. And then the next item that I brought from Next is this green dress. This is a bit short, but I still really like it. I just really love the colour. This is one of my colours that actually really suits me. My cousin did my colours for me many years ago now, and green is actually a really good colour on me. It makes my skin tone really even. So when your skin tone is even, that's when a colour suits you. So I do like, and I love green as well. I love this colour. As I said, when I bought this I bought it online. It was on sale as well, so I don't know if they've got any more. But I thought it would be longer than it was, but it's actually quite a short dress. But I thought that this is quite a nice dress to wear with leggings in the winter as well, and you can put a cardigan over the top so it's not as cold. So yeah, it's definitely one of those dresses I can transfer from summer to winter. As I said, I'm a little bit unsure about it being so short, but I'm going to give it a try this summer, I think. I don't have bad legs, I don't think, but I just get a bit conscious that I'll bend over and I'll show all my bottom or something. I'm a bit like, woo! So yeah, but anyway, I'm a bit too old to be showing me bottom nowadays, but trust me. So yes, as I said, I can't remember how much this one cost. I have worn it a couple of times. I bought this back in April when it was a bit cooler, and I did wear it with leggings and it was really comfy. So yes, it wasn't that expensive, I remember that much though. So if I can find it, I will link it in the description box below for you. And then the next item that I bought, so I'm onto my M&S clothes now. I bought these trousers from M&S. These were £29.50. They are cargo pants. Cargo pants are back in fashion. These were in fashion when I was in my 20s. I wish I'd kept the pairs I had back then, I tell you, although they probably wouldn't fit me. I was slightly larger then, so yeah. But yeah, these were £29.50. They're a lovely material. They're really smooth and silky, and they are a regular fit as well, and they do fit me quite well. I'm not sure about the tie around the middle, I have to say, but I do really like them. I did think they were slightly pricey though. M&S is normally a bit more pricey, but I find M&S clothes do last a bit longer, I have to be honest. So yes, I like them. They've got pockets on the side and pockets on the back as well, so I'm all pocketed out. And yeah, I just really love them, and if I can find them again, I will link it in the description box below for you. And then the next item that I bought from Marks and Spencer's was this dress. So this is an oversized dress, and I put it on and it's just really comfy. I've never bought a summer dress with long sleeves before, so this is a first for me. But I do find that what I do is I tend to roll them up to my elbows. So I don't really, I like the long sleeve, but it's a quarter length long sleeve, and I much prefer it was up here, to be honest. But I can always roll them up, so it doesn't bother me that much. But yeah, I just thought this was a really nice dress. It's got this lovely blue, it's a blue dress, but it's got yellow, white and black dots on it as well, when you look up close. So, and it just fits perfectly as well, and it's so comfy, and I just thought it'd be really nice for a warm summer's day. This was £35, so I did think this was slightly expensive for what it was as well, but prices are going up, unfortunately, so you just got to grin and bear it, haven't you? But yeah, I just love this dress, and I'm looking forward to wearing it in the summertime. And the next items that I bought are from M&S as well, and I just bought myself a really nice comfy green tracksuit. I don't think I've ever owned a tracksuit like this one before, I have to be honest. I think I probably owned a shell suit in the 80s, don't ask if you don't know, or go Google it. They were very leery, and you did rustle a lot in a shell suit, I have to say. But yeah, I just thought this was really nice, and I kept walking through Marks and Spencer's and seeing this and thinking, oh, I really like that, and I really like the colour of it as well. So I bought the jogging bottoms, and the jogging bottoms were £17.50, I think. Yeah, the jogging bottoms were £17.50, and then I also bought the jumper to match as well, and that was £17.50 as well. So altogether, the tracksuit came to £35. As I said, prices are going up, so it was slightly expensive, but I do think it's worth it. I do find that M&S clothes last me a long time. So yes, I bought this lovely matching tracksuit, and again, I'm really looking forward to wearing this maybe when the weather gets cooler again now. And then the final item that I brought are these shoes. These are from Next, but they're by Ditsy in London. These are just a plain white pair of shoes, but the thing I absolutely loved about them is the rose gold detail on them. So where you put the laces in, there's rose gold, I don't know what they're called, eye sockets, are they, or something? Yeah, if you're into materials, then please tell me what these are called. I really would love to know. But yes, They've just got that lovely rose gold detail on them, and I really like them for this, for that. I can't remember how much they cost. I think they might have been something like £25, and I have worn them a couple of times, but the first time what I find is that I always tend to, like my heel, the back of the heel always tends to scrape. It's quite hard there, and the front part was quite tight as well for the first couple of wears. I had a friend who told me that you can bash that back part with a hammer, and also to stuff socks down the front as well, because that makes it looser, that makes the leather looser on your shoes. So yes, I didn't do that, but next time I will know. If I ever buy a pair of shoes like this again, I will know. But I just thought these were really nice, and they are actually quite comfy. Apart from that, after a while my feet have got used to them and I really like them. So yeah, really pleased with these as well. That's it, that's my summer haul, and that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.